Hello everybody, my name is Xander. Welcome to a Let's Play instead of 3. And I have literally gone and named this Glitch 3. Yeah, Glitch 3. And I can't do glitches. Oh my god. Glitch. And this is what the glitch is. And yeah. Yo. Okay, and I'm gonna put Raul on this weird thing. So I'm gonna put Super Chachi Man on. Wait. Raul. Raul, say hi. Say hi. Yeah. So that's one glitch done. Yeah. So the other glitch is the speed glitch. Land. So you wanna go off? Let's go. 1. Go. 1. No, that gives you a small. But if you want, got that, and now you got the super jump. You wanna do a FS360, and then you hold your board. And Raul was too noisy, so they're gonna put it back on the headset. So now we are going. I know it was glitch 3, but we need to go trick line 3 as well. So first lesson. Oh no! Whoa! 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 Hold the phone. I'm pretty sure I missed a glitch. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I missed a glitch. You got this glitch, and there's this glitch that it works. You do it like something. I think one over this way. Oh. Like this. I wouldn't. So, no, actually, literally was. Actually, no, there's a few more glitches. You got the new one over here, and the board is flip. There's so many ways, and then okay. Yeah, I'm still recording. Yes, I'm recording. So then you go like this. No. See you later. Bye.